Welcome to the Big Three.
Now, here it is all about your numbers. There are 2 teams, there are 3 sums, there are 5 seconds to solve each sum. The winning team is the team that solves the most sums correctly. They get to take these wonderful books back to their school, courtesy of our friends, the Longhorn Publishers.
Now, if the scores are tied in the end, we move into a tiebreaker question.
That's right. Now, in this game, you only hear the question once, and you'll see the question written down at the end of the game.
Now, you must answer the question and write down your answers on the answering pads that have been provided within 5 seconds, or your answers will not count even if they're correct. Are the rules clear?
Yes.
Excellent. Now, for you at home, try and play along and see how many sums you can solve. You may just be as happy as our winning team. Marara, do you have your stopwatch?
I have my stopwatch, and I am ready. Bring in the sums.
All right, here comes the first sum. 18 multiplied by 2 minus 6 plus 5 divided by 5 is what?
And start the clock. And stop.
All right, I hope you have written down your answers. Let's move on to the next sum, please. 25. Take away 4 times 2 plus 8 divided by 2 equals...
And start the clock. And stop.
We have one sum left. Let's see how our teams will do. 2 multiplied by 8 plus 2 divided by 3 minus 1 is what?
And stop the clock. Stop, that's it. Time's up. Time is up.
All right, let's find out how everyone did. Now, Team A, please show us your answer for the first sum.
Right, for the first sum, Team A has, that's 7.
Okay, Team B, what do you have for that first sum?
So, Team B has 7 as well. What does this mean?
Well, it means that we've gotten a strong start with 2 similar answers. But let's see if those answers are correct. Here comes the solution for the first sum. 18 times 2, that's 36. Minus 6, that's 30. Plus 5, that's 35. Divided by 5, the answer is 7.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right, very well done, Team A and B on that first sum. Let's move on to the next sum. Team A, please show us your answer for the second sum.
And for the second sum, Team A has 25.
Okay, Team B, what do you have there?
And Team B has 5. Wow. That's a great difference.
You're right, Mara. That's a very big difference. But let's find out which of the 2 teams got it right, if any of them actually did. Sum number 2. 25 minus 4, that's 21. Multiplied by 2, that's 42. Plus 8, that's 50. Divided by 2, the answer is 25.
Wow, good job, Team A. You have that one correct, Team B. We still have one more sum to go. So, Team A, please show us your answer for the third sum.
Right, for the third sum, Team A has 5.
All right, Team B, let's see what you have.
And Team B has 5 as well. Wow.
Those are 2 similar answers. Now let's find out if our teams got the sums correct. 2 times 8, that's 16. Plus 2. 2 times 8, yes, that is 16. Plus 2, that is 18. Divided by 3, that's 6. Minus 1. The answer is 5.
Wow, good job to Team A and B. But it's at this point that I have to mention that Team A Unfortunately, you wrote your answer after the 5 seconds, so even if it's correct, you lose out on that one. So meaning that so far we have a tie. Explain, Charlie?
Now, in the situation of a tie, that means we have to go to our tiebreaker question. That's one question, 5 seconds to solve the sum. The teams have to write their answers on the answer pads provided. The first team with a correct answer within the 5 seconds must raise their hand. If at the end of those 5 seconds we do not have any correct answers from either of our teams, we will solve the sum. But the maths books will remain in the KnowZone. Are the rules clear?
Yes.
Janet?
Right, Janet?
All right, let's do this. 21. Take away 3 times 2 plus 4 divided by 2 equals...
And start the clock. And stop.
Well then. Team A, show us your answer. You did not write down your answer. Okay. Sadly, the answers being in your head is not counted as a solution. We had asked you to write down the answers on the answer pad provided. That means that the books will remain in the KnowZone, sadly, but we will solve the sum together and you can see if your answers would have been correct. (21) minus 3, that's 18. Multiplied by 2, that's 36. Plus 4, that's 40. Divided by 2, the answer is 20.
Now, for both teams, don't worry, you have worked so hard, but unfortunately, we stay with the books, but you have helped me with my maths homework. Now, for you at home, how many did you get? Huh? Well, I hope you enjoyed playing the game,